Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah. In a land where sugar rivers gleam, 5 ducks waddle lost and dream. With candy trees that twist and twirl, they quack with joy as colors swirl. Their feathers shine like caramel bright, they dance on paths of pure delight. Licorice vines hang low and sweet as gumdrop pebbles line their feet. One duckling pauses by a fudge fountain, where chocolate cascades from the mountaintop's bounty. He splashes in with a jubilant cheer, while marshmallow clouds drift soft and near. Oh, taste the rainbows, one calls aloud, as cotton candy drifts like a prayful cloud. Together they laugh under skies of mint green, in this wondrous world where all is serene. But whispers creep through the jelly bean grass. What if this sweetness were destined to pass? The oldest drug frowns at the fleeting delight. Candy can vanish, it won't last the night. Yet optimism dances in their bright your hearts, for every end knows new starts in part. So they feast on dreams neath the lollipop sun, believing each moment is meant for fun. And as twilight wraps its gentle embrace, the 5 ducks gather in their cozy space, hand in wing beneath the starlit dome. In Candyland's warmth they found their home. So let us cherish our moments so sweet, like 5 little ducks on a sugary street. For life may be fleeting like candy's delight, yet love fills our hearts with radiant light.
In a realm where the rivers of chocolate flow, 2 children wander with hearts all aglow. Hand in hand through the gumdrop trees, they dance to the whispers of sweet summer breeze. Marshmallow mountains rise high to the sky, with sugary clouds that drift softly by. Laughter erupts like a burst of bright stars, as they chase after dreams on candy-striped cars. Licorice pathways twist underfoot, while peppermint whispers tell tales from the root. Each step they take is a sprinkle of cheer, in this land made for lovers and friends held so dear. The sun shines like syrup on lollipops bright, every moment an echo of purest delight. Chocolate fountains cascade with delight's gentle hum, their giggles harmonize like a sweet honey drum. But beneath all the sweetness lie shadows unseen, for time flows like caramel, sticky and keen. They know that such wonders can't last forever, yet their hearts beat as one in this dream they endeavor. A promise hangs heavy in candy's sweet air, to hold on to joy with eternal care. Through valleys of sugar and hills dressed in cream, together they'll flourish, a limitless dream. Licorice pathways twist underfoot, while peppermint whispers tell tales from the root. Laughter erupts like a burst of bright stars, as they chase after dreams on candy-striped cars. Licorice pathways twist underfoot, while peppermint whispers tell tales from the root. Each step they take is a sprinkle of cheer, in this land made for lovers and friends held so dear. 2 kids united by joy's tender strand, forever enchanted in their candy land.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.